Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about schizophrenia. What is schizophrenia? Times, clinical feature, prevalence in different age groups, sex ratio, and homeopathic management with the help of repertory. Schizophrenia is neurological disorders and chronic brain disorders that affects less than 1% of the United States population. When schizophrenia is active, symptoms can include delusions, hallucinations, disorganized speech, trouble with thinking, and lack of motivation. However, the treatment, most symptoms of schizophrenia will greatly improved and the likelihood of a recurrence can be diminished. So, schizophrenia is chronic brain disorders and present, and this disorder affects the less than 1% of population. When schizophrenia is active, symptoms can include delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, etc. While there is no cure for schizophrenia, research is leading to innovative and safer treatments. Experts also are unraveling the causes of the disease by studying genetics, conducting behavioral research, and using advanced imaging to look at the brain's structure and functions. These approaches hold the promise of new and more effective therapies for the schizophrenia. When the disease is active, it can be characterized by episodes in which the person is unable to distinguish between real and unreal experiences. As with any illness, the severity, duration, and frequency of symptoms can vary. However, in persons with schizophrenia, the incidence of severe psychotic symptoms often decreases as the person becomes older. Not taking medications as prescribed, the use of alcohol or illicit drug, and stressful situations tend to increase symptoms. Symptoms fall into three major categories. Number one, paranoid schizophrenia. The person's paranoia may be extreme and they may act on it. They may show up at the door of the FBI and ask, "Why are you following me?" Say Dr. Boers. They may also behave idly, have inappropriate emotional responses, and show little pleasure in life. You saw in this diagram different appearance of the faces in participated or breaked form. Catatonic schizophrenia. The person shuts down emotionally, mentally, and physically. In catatonic schizophrenia, the person shuts down emotionally, mentally, and physically. People appear to be paralyzed. They have no facial expression and may stand still for long period of time. She says there is no drive to eat, drink or urinate. When catatonia lasts for hours, it becomes a medical emergency. Undifferentiated schizophrenia. The person has various vague symptoms. They may not talk or express themselves much. They can be confused and paranoid. Says Dr. Boers, the person may not bother to change clothes or take a shower. Schizoaffective disorders. The person has delusional thinking and other symptoms of schizophrenia, but they also present with one or more symptoms of a mood disorder, depression, mania, and hypomania, says Dr. Boers. Causes of schizophrenia: hereditary, faulty and pathogenic family pattern, frustrations, traumatic experiences of childhood, regression of libido, disturbance in sex gland, mental conflict, inferiority complex, introverted personality, head injury, social and cultural factors, extreme defense, faulty learning. These are the causes of schizophrenia. Positive symptoms. Those abnormally present. Hallucinations such as hearing voices or seeing things that do not exist. Paranoia and exaggerated or distorted perceptions, beliefs and behaviors. Negative symptoms. Those abnormally absent. Loss or a decrease in the ability to initiate plans, speak, express emotion or find pleasure. Disorganized symptoms. Confused and disordered thinking and speech, trouble with logical thinking and sometimes bizarre behavior or abnormal movements. So these type of symptoms may present in schizophrenia: positive symptoms, negative symptoms and disorganized symptoms. Cognition is another area of functioning that is affected in schizophrenia, leading to problems with attention, concentration and memory, and to declining educational performance. Symptoms of schizophrenia usually first appear in the early adulthood and must persist for at least 6 months for a diagnosis to be made. Men often experience initial symptoms in their late teens or early 20s, while women tend to show first sign of the illness in their 20s and early 30s. More subtle signs may be present earlier, including troubled relationships, poor school performance and reduced motivations. Mental Status Examination (MSE). In a precise, the following conclusions may be controlled in a severely ill patient of schizophrenia. The patient may be unduly doubt of the examiner or be socially different. The patient may have variety of awkward belief or delusions. The patient mostly has a flat affect. The patient may accept the hallucinations or receive stimuli of hearing and seeing that are not credible to the examiner. The patient depict thought blocking where long pauses occur before he/she answer a question. The sequence of ideas and thoughts follow a logic which makes sense to the patient but not to the psychiatrist. The patient has difficulty with ideal thinking shown by an inability to understand tribal proverbs or idiosyncratic perceptions of them. The speech can be circumstantial. The patient may have little acknowledgement of his or her problems. Orientation is mostly intact to time, place and person. A person with schizophrenia may manifest strange and poorly recognized behaviors. These may include drinking water to the extreme of intoxication, staring at themselves in front of the mirror, opting stereotyped activity, and hurting themselves. Their sleep cycle can be disturbed. Differential diagnosis: delusional disorders, psychotic depression, manic episode, schizoaffective disorder, puerperal psychosis. Diagnosis: the patient must have experienced at least two of the following symptoms: delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, catatonic attitude, negative symptoms. Rehabilitation and living with schizophrenia. Treatment can help people with schizophrenia lead highly productive and rewarding lives. As with other chronic illness, some patients do extremely well while others continue to be symptomatic and need support and assistance. After the symptoms of schizophrenia are controlled, various types of therapy can continue to help people manage the illness and improve their lives. Therapy and psychological supports can be help people learn social skills, cope with stress, identify early warning sign of relapses and prolonged period of remission. Because schizophrenia typically strikes in early adulthood, individuals with disorder often benefit from rehabilitation to help develop life management skills, complete vocational or educational training, and hold a job. For example, supported employment programs have been found to help people with schizophrenia obtain self-sufficiency. These programs provide people with severe mental illness competitive job in the community. Endocrine and schizophrenia. Schizophrenia and its treatment are associated with several endocrinopathies, some well studied but other not. Among the most extensively investigated endocrine dysfunction have been the hyperprolactinemia associated with the dopamine receptor antagonism exerted by antipsychotic agent. Secretion of the anterior pituitary hormone prolactin can be significantly increased by antipsychotic drug, leading to a range of adverse effect in the patient with schizophrenia. In this slide, you see race, gender, and age of non-elderly adult with mental illness. In 2015, race, gender, age. Homeopathic medicine, Hyoscyamus niger, Lachesis, Phosphorus, Anacardium orientale, Stramonium, Nux vomica, Argentum nitricum, Arsenicum album, Calcarea carbonicum, Cannabis indica, Medorinum, Platina, etc. are used according to signs and symptoms along with chronicity of the schizophrenia. Common rubric from different repertories. In repertory of homeopathic materia medica by Robin Murphy, mind, schizophrenia, 63 drugs. Kent comparative repertory of homeopathic materia medica, apathy, reserved, delusion 93 drugs, indifference 146 drugs, melancholia, despair 93 drugs, company aversion 96 drugs, sensitive 111 drugs, ideas deficiency of 73 drugs, suicidal thought 14 drugs, restless 252 drugs, suspicious 75 drugs. So different rubrics contain many medicine for schizophrenia. In this you see schizophrenia definition, type, incidence, differential diagnosis, rehabilitation, homeopathic medicine, and rubrics related with schizophrenia. We request to viewer use all medicine according to guidance of proper qualified physician. Thank you.